Here's an example of being blind to the truth, not wanting to see. I found this image on Twitter, and on the surface it looks like there is no change in curvature. But what I did was I used this tool to create and edit a path so that I could create a nice roundish spline curve followed by a straight path back from each point, and you can see that here on each image. And already you can see this one is larger than this one, but I didn't stop there. So I then drew a straight line from this point to this point, and from this point to this point, and then for each of these I copied it and I moved the copy up to the top here so that it just touches like this. So you can see if I take this one away, the bottom line is obscured by this line over here. So now we have two objective lines that match the curvature in the photo. And if I zoom in, let's measure how many pixels each one of these happen to have. So the measuring tool is over here. You can see the horizon kind of comes up to here and touches the line here. And on this side, it comes up and touches over here. So about halfway down, we have 34 pixels. So the one on the top, which is at the ground level, has 34 pixels. Let's look at this one. So we'll do the same thing for this one. You can see the curvature kind of going up like this here and kind of coming up to about here, more or less where this is. And same thing on this side. You can see the blue and the white kind of coming up to about here where this is. So about halfway between this point and this point is right about here where the sun is. And if I measure that, we have 45 pixels. And if I move it slightly more perpendicular, we've got 45.3. So 45.3 and 34. Well, there you have it. I know that some people really like to see what they want to see, but we have to be careful. We really have to be careful that we don't deceive ourselves or deceive others.